quadratic equation, we are going to find the relation between the roots alpha and beta and the coefficients of a, b, c of the quadratic equation, where a is never equal to 0. So with the relation, do you remember this equation? This when we are forming the root, we prove for this. So we said that s squared minus alpha plus beta s plus alpha beta equals 0. So when we are there with how to form a quadratic equation, we said that s squared minus the sum of root plus the product of root, right? So this is our first equation. So we are continuing with that one. And then this is our quadratic equation, right? So we want to compare. So therefore, let's make the coefficient of this s square 1. So you will divide through by a, right? If that through by a, if you divide through by a, this is our second equation. Then we can compare. So we are going to compare this to this, and then this to this. So we said this one is what? Yes, sum of roots. Good. And this one is product of root. So comparing the coefficient of the two equations given, the sum of roots, that's what? Alpha plus beta. Yes, negative, right? So alpha plus beta equals negative b out of a. Why? Because alpha plus beta, yes. So if you are comparing to this, that we have s here, s here. So we are comparing the coefficient of the two equations. So there's s. So the coefficient of s is what? B out of a. The coefficient of s is negative alpha plus beta. Since there's negative here, so we divide through by negative 1. That's why we have the negative here. There was negative here. So divide through by negative 1. Then we get the negative here. So the sum of root is negative b out of a. Then the product of roots. So if you compare the constant, so the product of root is alpha times beta is equal to c out of a. Simple as that. So this is the relation. So let's solve some example after this. Write down the sum and the product of the roots of the following quadratic equations. These are quadratic equations, so you should write down the sum. What should we do here? Solution. Okay, so just locate your A, B, C. Then we say write the sum the product. So our sum here is what? The sum of roots. We know that the sum of root, that's alpha plus beta, the same as negative b out of a, right? So that's negative b out of a. When we are proving, we saw it. So our b is here 5, our a is 2. So our answer will be what? Negative 5 out of 2. Then our product is what? So our product is that alpha times beta. It was c out of a. When we were proving it, we saw it. So our c is 3. Now a is what? 2. As easy as that. So do this one for me. Solution. So you locate your a. Your a is what? 5. Your b is 5. Your c is 2. So our sum, what do you get? So our sum is negative b out of a. Then your sum, you get what? Negative 5 out of 5. So our answer is what? Negative 1, right? Then our product of roots is what? C out of A. And our C is what? 2. So this is our C. 2 out of 5. Subscribe to Snappers, my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.